Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Springfield, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, deciding that what I did was okay, but it wasn't really enough for me, and I want some white, and I might want some gold, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Putting my glasses on is a good start. But in any case, multiple layers never hurt anything, and I don't think it's going to hurt anything now. I like to waggle my skewer. I don't need a ton of paint, but I needed a little more drama. I mean, it was dramatic for sure, but it just didn't have what I wanted. And we're close. We're so close. I'm just not interested in giving up until I get what I want. And the paint is still very wet, so that's an entirely distinct possibility that that could happen. Will it be red? Something bold has to happen here. Before I add so much paint that I can't undo anything. So that's a little better. But I am thinking that some white pearl would be helpful. And some tilting. And I'm going to use my edge catcher or edge catchers. Put one right down on the canvas and let everything travel. Before choosing what else to do. I'll let this all go down here. I can put paint back in the canvas, or I can put it on another one. I'm going to knock that right off. Got a lot of extra paint, as you can see. I can go back the other way, too. Let's let that spread out even more. It's not really what I had in mind, but it's okay. It's the fun of accidental art. Alright, I'm going to take that and then look at this. Are we having fun yet? We were having fun. I think we're still having fun. It's just I'm not sure what I'm doing. Because I wasn't sure what I was doing to begin with. This might be one of those videos nobody ever sees. Of course, it might be awesome. I haven't decided yet. Because I haven't got to that awesome point yet. My only mud is purple mud, so I'm not unhappy with that. I think it's time for permission. Permission to add black. Permission to get down and get funky. No, it's definitely not a ring pour anymore. I'm quiet because I'm kind of stumped. I've got some neat stuff happening, but I'm not sure I'm in love with everything. But I have, you know, the residual of 20 minutes, so it doesn't really matter. If in doubt, add gold. which usually actually does work. I haven't torched. That probably wouldn't hurt anything if I torched. That black tried to disappear on me. I don't mind that gold. There's an awful lot of stuff going on here. Let's just add a really big neon purple spot and see if that'll help. And it's helping me. A lot, actually. That makes me happy. Isn't that funny? Chances are anywhere it's on top of black paint, it will not stay, though. It's helping me for now, though. An unusual painting, to say the least. Okay, so I'm going to use a torch and call it good, because I've done all the dumping I think is a good idea to do right now. There is a lot going on here. You know, it occurs to me that that wouldn't be a bad idea wherever I might want to try that, because I haven't actually tried that. Faux rings. Try not to do it in places I'll regret, but I'm not sure I can regret anything right now at this exact moment. Paint is nice and wet. Good day for an experiment. This is the flat end of my bamboo skewer. I have a lot of paint, but it doesn't matter. It's probably the best way to do this anyway. Yeah, I'm kind of actually really liking that a lot now. It's not what I was thinking of when I started, that is a certainty. But it doesn't matter, does it? Got so many things blending, it's really cool. I'm not hating on that anymore. Cool. I'm sure somebody liked it at some stage, but it's really okay that it's not there anymore. Yep, I'm just going to keep on spiraling until I'm happy. And there's a lot of really cool illusions going on in there. So, and I have part of another ring pour cup left. Still a little paint, stick it right over there. You could be doing this with a fork or chain or something else, but nope, we're doing this with the back of a bamboo skewer. And it seems to be working. Plus, you can pull stuff. See where that takes you. I guess it will all depend on how brightly that neon purple dries tomorrow. She said as she added one last dose. Yeah, I'm good. We're going to torch. I got 5 minutes left. If I see something I want to do, I will. That something could be add that gold in there. Or I see a little bit of canvas. That could be anywhere, actually. I really want to use that other paint. No, that's not bothering me. Very cool. We started with ring pours and we ended with rings. Pretty much no connection to them in the middle. Can't wait to see what this dries like. I do see that little bit of canvas there, and I don't want to see that little bit of canvas there. And that, and that, and that, and that. Before I make complete glop by heating up the surface, I ought to check it out. There's some really neat patterns in there, I gotta say. I probably have. Probably half a dozen times. Why don't we make sure that this does just what we want by using what we've got in there. I think more white would have been okay. We torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint, because added pouring medium often adds air into the paint. I've got a crib sheet. I can tell you guys, thank you very much for contributing to keep me going, keep me painting. I've got plenty of paint to cover my edges with. I gotta say, it's all on that edge catcher over there. I could play with this for a while, to tell you the truth. It's kind of fun. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my paints, which means when the paints are heavy like this, you probably won't have an issue. I might add some black over that because I kind of liked it the way it was. Be careful not to stick your fingers in your painting after you glop up the surface with a torch. But use the torch to get rid of the bubbles, because otherwise you'll have little craters the next day, or actual bubbles, and you're not going to be happy with either one of those things. I think I used the wrong end. I think I'm covered in paint. I think this is going to be one of those desperate videos. Yeah, I like that better actually. Good thing I didn't torch over there too much. You know what? I'm just going to keep doing that, aren't I? You know it's true. I needed to do that right there. Hopefully a lot of that magenta will stay. But even if it doesn't, it'll be kind of cool looking, and it'll definitely be... That piece of canvas just doesn't want to go away. So, on the end screens are 750 videos, and this month's contest showing you the prizes for those who contribute to keep me going. Also, there's a playlist with 750 videos on it. If you want to binge, that's a great place to look for something to binge on. There are there are 7 new playlists with 100 in each of the first 6, and I'm compiling the last one as the days go by and I add videos. It'll go on that last list of 700. There are also playlists of swipes or ring pours. I don't know which one this will go on. It won't go on swipes. It might go on ring pours though. Certainly unexpected. So there are over 75,000 of you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I'll be touching up my edges for a little while. I'm going to move this paint. This is the paint I wasted right there, and I haven't wasted it yet because I might still do something with it. You can never tell. So this is Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I got paint on my fingers and I want to put it on the edges of my canvas. I love you guys. Thank you all for the comments you give me every day. I really, the appreciation makes my day and makes bringing you a video every day very rewarding. And as long as I can get a thumbs up and people keep watching as much of the videos as possible, I can probably still keep trying to bring back a video every day. Is there more paint? Am I flowing my paint off my canvas as I tilt it? Probably. Anyway, I love you guys. I said that. And I said who I am. What else is on my list? My paint pouring recipes underneath. Show more on the video. Underneath the video description. Also, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, and a mention of Facebook albums. If you're looking for the Facebook albums, you want to look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. If you're looking for a Facebook group for students, you're looking for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. And I have other places that you can shop. If you look for the Shop Now button on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery page or Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More page, you'll be led to my Far North America and Pixels.com, where I have been posting stuff for years and years. So, I'm going to check my list and get some of this paint off my hands because I'm distracted by how much paint there is. I think I've told you guys just about everything that I can tell you, other than that on my Amazon link you're going to find the book called Because I Can. And the next book is going to be called Because I Can, I Do Too, or You Can Too. I think that's probably more appropriate. Or something similar. Keep my skewer out of the painting and I'll be happy. I love you guys, and you'll probably be gone in a second anyway. I checked my list. My paintings are for sale, and I give classes at the house in an air-conditioned studio in Spring Hill, Florida. So if you want to contact me, please use my website. It's on the last 20 seconds on the end screens on the link there. You just click through and leave me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and that's usually pretty quick. So take care, you guys. Hope to see you in another video. Bye for now. This is Priscilla out. Are we close enough? Yeah, we probably are. I've wanted to do this forever. Bye, guys.